Right, let's talk about transforming your bathroom. Before you even think about new shiny taps or fancy tiles, you've got to deal with the old stuff. This first stage, clearing out the existing bathroom, is absolutely crucial. You need a completely blank canvas to work with, a space where you can see exactly what you're up against. This means removing the old shower unit, toilet and basin. Careful removal prevents unnecessary damage and makes the next steps easier. Old cabinets and vanity units often hide issues like damp patches, so get them out of the way. Old wall coverings, be it tiles, wallpaper or paint, also need to go. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about checking the condition of the walls underneath. Turn off the water supply at the mains before disconnecting anything. Carefully disconnect the old pipes from the shower, toilet and sink. If you're not comfortable with plumbing, call in a professional. Ensure all old pipework is properly capped off if it's not being immediately reused or replaced. With everything old removed, the next job is to prep the space thoroughly. Proper preparation ensures that all your new installations will fit perfectly and last for years to come. Once your bathroom is stripped back and the surfaces are properly prepared, it's time to think about the walls. For a modern, durable and stylish finish, I'm a big fan of SPC wall tiles or stone plastic composite. These panels are a fantastic alternative to traditional ceramic tiles. They are 100% waterproof, which is exactly what you want in a wet area like a bathroom. SPC panels are also incredibly tough, resistant to scratches and dents, and very easy to clean. Applying SPC wall tiles is a relatively straightforward process, but precision is key. Measure twice, cut once, as they say. The panels often have a tongue and groove system, which helps to create a seamless, waterproof join. Next up is the shower tray. Ensure the floor area where the tray will sit is absolutely level and can support the weight. Once the tray is in position, it must be sealed meticulously around all edges where it meets the walls using a good quality silicone sealant. With the shower tray securely in place and sealed, you can move on to installing the shower enclosure. Now that the core elements of the shower area are taking shape, it's time to turn our attention to the sink and vanity unit. A modern bathroom renovation often prioritizes sleek design and practical storage, and the vanity unit is key to achieving this. Wall-hung vanities are very popular as they create a sense of space and make cleaning the floor underneath much easier. Installing the sink involves connecting the new taps and waste pipes. Use good quality connectors and PTFE tape on threaded joints to ensure watertight seals. Once the sink is in place and the taps are connected, test everything thoroughly for leaks. The toilet is another essential fixture. When installing a new toilet, ensure you have a good, solid wax ring or rubber seal at the base where it connects to the soil pipe. Connect the system to the water supply and test the flush mechanism thoroughly. Finally, let's not forget the smaller but equally important details like the placement of accessories. Good lighting and a well-placed mirror are also vital. With all the main fixtures installed, it's time for the final touches that bring the whole project together. Apply silicone sealant neatly around the base of the toilet, the edges of the vanity unit where it meets the wall, and any other areas that need a clean, waterproof finish. Once all that is done, give the entire bathroom a thorough clean. Step back and admire the transformation. A modern, well-renovated bathroom is a thing of beauty. The clean lines of the new shower enclosure, the sleek finish of the SPC wall panels, and the contemporary design of the vanity unit and sink all contribute to a space that feels fresh, bright, and inviting. The benefits of a renovated bathroom extend far beyond just aesthetics. A modern bathroom significantly increases the value of your home, making it a wise investment. Functionally, new fixtures operate more efficiently. Think water-saving toilets and taps, and better drainage. Ultimately, there's immense satisfaction in completing a bathroom renovation, especially when it's done right.